The Poly Voyager Free 60 Plus earbuds is a pair of earbuds that you want to own. With the USB-C to audio cable, you can plug it into an airplane audio jack, and the touch case will function as a Bluetooth transmitter, making this pair of earbuds truly wireless for work and life. Introducing the Poly Voyager Free 60 Plus UC. This is a true wireless earbuds made for iPhone, iPad, and it is certified for MS Teams as well as Zoom. One key feature for this pair of earbuds is that it comes with a cable that allows you to use this pair of earbuds wirelessly while you are traveling on a plane. So let's unbox and take a look at its contents. So these are the package contents. The touchscreen charge case and its contents weigh 79 grams. The pair of earbuds weigh 11 grams, approximately 5.5 grams each. So let's take a look at the touchscreen charge case and its contents. So it contains the earbuds, and it has got the BT700 Bluetooth adapter, and you'll use this adapter to connect it to the laptop. Let's take a look at the earbuds. So each earbuds has got 3 microphones each, and it comes with the WindSmart technology for protection against wind noise. So similar to the Voyager 60 earbud, it has got a stem over here where if you can swipe up and down to increase or decrease the volume. And there's a button over here where you need to press to answer and reject calls, as well as for music playback. Now, this is very similar to the Plantronics Voyager 3200 that we are still using, where you need to press on the button over here to answer calls. So the earbuds is Bluetooth version 5.3 and it is class 1. You can connect to 2 devices at the same time, and it remembers up to 8 devices. During phone calls, you can use only one earbud if necessary. That is in the event the other earbud runs low on battery. For the rest of the specs, you can read it as listed over here. So let's pair the earbuds to our mobile phone. For the Voyager 60 earbuds, we have shown you pairing using the Poly app. For now, we will show you another method, which is to use the charge case. So let's unlock the charge case, and we can tap on Bluetooth. We'll select pair device. You can see on our mobile phone, it has immediately detected the Poly Voyager Free 60 series. Let's connect. Your earbuds are connected. Select Done. That is a very simple pairing process using the touch charge case to your mobile phone. Next, we're going to test the audio. So the sound you're hearing is actually recorded on the microphone on the earbuds. So let's place our phone on the charge case stand. Yes, the charge case can also be used as a handphone stand for your phone, where you can watch your movies on the plane. So this is how you sound when you use the earbuds on a phone call during a conversation. And this is how you hear.
4 years ago, I was basically unemployed. A wanderer with no home. But now, I'm a husband.
And this is a sound that you hear on the earbuds. So this is the audio test for the Poly Voyager Free 60 Plus earbuds. This is how you wear the earbuds. If you receive an incoming call, simply press on the earbud once. You will hear incoming call on the earbuds. While on the call, if you were to swipe on the stem of the earbud, it will mute or unmute. You can hear on the earbuds mute on and then muted. To unmute, simply swipe once on the earbud. You can hear mute off on the earbuds, and you can continue your call. To hang up the call, simply press on the button once. The call has ended. Next, let's do some music playback. To start the music playback, you can press on the button once. Similarly, on a charge case, you can also press play. To stop the music, press once. To increase or decrease the volume of the music, you can swipe up or down accordingly. Let's do that. Let's stop the music. So this is how you use the earbuds to answer, mute or end calls, and also for music playback, to start, stop, as well as to increase or decrease the volume. Next, we're going to show you a very unique feature for the Voyager Free 60 Plus. In box, there is a USB to 3.5mm audio cable, as shown over here. Now, if you were to connect this cable to the touch charge case and connecting the jack to an airplane audio system, the touch case will function as a wireless Bluetooth transmitter to your earbuds. So we're going to demonstrate that by using our computer with the Bluetooth turned off. So let's connect it to the charge case. On the other end, we'll plug it into the headset jack on our computer. So next, on our computer, we'll turn the Bluetooth off. And when we play a trailer on YouTube, you can hear the sound being transmitted from the charge case to your earbuds.
Nick Fury, my favorite one-eyed man of intrigue.
So this is how you use the USB to audio cable on an airplane and with the touch charge case, it is functioning as a Bluetooth transmitter to transmit the audio wirelessly to your earbuds. The Poly Voyager 60 Plus earbuds supports two methods of charging. One is the conventional way, where you plug a USB-C cable that comes in box into the charge case at the back. So this is where you plug in the USB-C cable, and this is a button that you can press and it will wake up the charge case. So you can plug in the USB-C cable, and you can see the charging symbol on the touch charge case. For fast charge, you can get up to 1 hour 12 minutes of talk time after 15 minutes of charge, with a standby time of up to 30 days including the charging case. The second method of charging is by using a wireless charger. The touch charge case supports Qi wireless charging, so you can place the charge case onto the wireless charger. You can see that the charge case is now being charged by the wireless charger. So these are two methods where you can charge your Poly Voyager 60 Plus earbuds and charge case. So this is the Poly Voyager Free 60 Plus earbuds. Do check it out at the stores.